Are you ready to shatter your financial limitations and step into a reality where money flows to you effortlessly? Forget the struggle, forget the doubt. What I'm about to share is a powerful key to unlocking limitless abundance, and it's simpler than you think. Stay with me, because your financial breakthrough starts now. Hello everyone, and I hope you're feeling the powerful energy of possibility today. I have a message that has the potential to completely transform your financial future, but only if you truly absorb what I'm about to say. You're about to experience a profound shift. Before we dive in, let's talk about something crucial: the energy you surround yourself with. It directly impacts your ability to attract abundance. Whether it's through mindfulness, positive affirmations, or surrounding yourself with symbols of prosperity, everything you do shapes your financial reality. When you align with the right energy, you open the doors to limitless opportunities. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the economy. It might feel uncertain, and you might be feeling anxious about your finances. But I want you to take a deep breath and release that fear. Do not panic. Because something incredible is about to happen. Money, a lot of money, is on its way to you. The flow of abundance is already starting, and you're about to witness it firsthand. Listen carefully to every word. This message will shift your mindset and activate the energy of wealth within you. You might be skeptical, but I assure you, once you align with the right frequency, you'll be amazed at how quickly financial opportunities appear. You're stepping into a new journey, one filled with prosperity, financial growth, and limitless abundance. Everything is shifting in your favor. The doors of wealth are opening, and you're about to receive more than you ever imagined. Are you ready to welcome it? You are about to experience a completely new way of life, where abundance surrounds you. Whatever goals you've had, no matter how audacious, expect even more. Before we go further, let's focus your mind. Breathe deeply. Clear your thoughts. And concentrate on one powerful word: increase. Increase in abundance, increase in prosperity, increase in wealth, increase in cash flowing into your life, increase in success touching every part of your journey. And this increase isn't just for you, it will uplift those you love. As your wealth grows, so does your ability to make a difference, to create opportunities, and to live the life you've always dreamed of. In this video, I'm going to share a powerful key that will unlock the flow of money into your life. But to fully grasp its potential, you must stay with me until the very end. By the time you finish, you'll recite a transformational decree, one that aligns you with the wealth and success that is meant for you. Are you truly ready to open the doors to prosperity, unlimited abundance, and financial freedom? If so, stay focused, because what you're about to hear will shift your reality in ways you never imagined. Right now, you might feel stuck, uncertain, or even doubtful about your financial future. But that's about to change. You will no longer see money as something distant or difficult to obtain. Instead, you'll understand that money is energy, and energy flows to where it is welcomed. Many people make the mistake of viewing money as just numbers. But in reality, money is vibration. It's all around you, waiting for you to align with it. There's already an unlimited flow of wealth moving in your direction. The only thing you need to do is open yourself to receive it. And that's exactly what we're going to do. Take a deep breath. Breathe in deeply, filling your lungs with fresh, clean energy. Feel the breath travel down, expanding your chest, filling your body with warmth, light, and calm. Hold it for a moment. Now, slowly exhale, releasing all tension, all stress, all doubt. Let go of anything that no longer serves you. This is your time. This is your moment. Right now, there's nothing else to do, nowhere else to be. Simply relax. Allow yourself to sink into this experience fully. If you feel comfortable, gently close your eyes. Let the outside world fade away. If you prefer to keep your eyes open, that's perfectly fine, just drift into a state of deep relaxation. Feel your body becoming lighter, your shoulders loosening, your mind clearing, your breath deepening. A profound sense of peace begins to settle over you, wrapping around you like a warm embrace. In this moment, there's nothing to worry about. Everything is unfolding exactly as it should. There's no need to force anything, no need to rush. Right here, right now, you are in perfect alignment with the natural flow of the universe. You're stepping into a new version of yourself, one that is abundant, successful, and overflowing with prosperity. Now, imagine a soft, golden light surrounding you. This light is warm, comforting, powerful. It wraps around you like a protective cocoon of pure energy, shielding you from negativity, dissolving doubts, and filling you with a deep, unshakable sense of certainty and peace. This isn't just any light, it's the very essence of abundance, success, and infinite wealth. It's the energy of prosperity itself. With each breath, this light grows brighter, stronger, more radiant. It pulsates with pure golden energy, expanding all around you, flowing through you, and illuminating every corner of your being. As it expands, it clears away the old, the doubts, the fears, the subconscious limitations that once held you back. It replaces them with confidence, clarity, and the unshakable belief that you are destined for abundance. Feel this golden energy moving through your body. It flows into your head, clearing your mind. It travels down your neck and shoulders, releasing tension. It fills your heart, opening it wide to receive. It spreads down through your arms, through your hands, making you ready to grasp the wealth and success that is already on its way. The light continues to flow, moving into your stomach, your legs, your feet, grounding you in prosperity, anchoring you in certainty, aligning you with financial freedom. You are glowing with abundance. You are radiating success. You are overflowing with wealth. And as this light surrounds and fills you, it does something even greater, it begins to attract. Like a magnet, this energy starts pulling in limitless prosperity from all directions. Opportunities are drawn to you. Unexpected financial blessings start moving toward you. Wealth, success, and abundance begin gravitating toward you, effortlessly, naturally, powerfully. With every breath, this attraction becomes stronger. With every heartbeat, this reality becomes more certain. And now, as you're wrapped in this powerful golden glow, you'll hear these words, not just as words, but as vibrations. These are not just sounds, these are not just sentences. These words are energy. These words are frequencies. They hold within them the power to reshape your mind, transform your energy, and unlock the doors to infinite financial prosperity. They are more than affirmations, they are commands to the universe. They are decrees of wealth. They are declarations of success. And as you hear them, they do something profound, they sink deep into your subconscious mind, rewriting your beliefs, shifting your perspective, erasing old limitations, and clearing the way for unlimited abundance to flood into your life. Right now, in this very moment, your reality is shifting. The version of you that once hesitated, once doubted, once questioned your financial future, that version is fading away. In its place, a new version of you is emerging, a version that is confident, unstoppable, and fully aligned with wealth and success. You are no longer waiting for abundance to find you, you are attracting it now. You are stepping into your wealth, your success, your destiny. Take a deep breath and embrace the limitless abundance that is now flowing into your life. From this moment forward, your reality is shifting. Money is no longer something distant or difficult. It's no longer an uphill battle or a burden. It's not something you have to constantly chase. Instead, money is a natural part of your existence, as natural as the air you breathe, as effortless as the waves, as abundant as the stars. It's always present, always flowing, always available. Money is not something you need to earn through hardship, it belongs to you. It is meant for you. It is already on its way. From this moment forward, you are in the flow. You are in perfect alignment with the endless, infinite supply of wealth. You are a magnet for financial success. Wealth, prosperity, and opportunity are no longer out of reach, they are here, right now. You're stepping into a life where money flows effortlessly, opportunities unfold with ease, doors open unexpectedly. The right people, the right resources, the right circumstances, all align to bring you exactly what you need at exactly the right time. Take another deep breath in. Feel the shift happening within you. Hold that breath. And slowly exhale. With each breath, you feel lighter, more powerful, more confident, more certain of the abundance flowing into your life. There is no resistance, no hesitation, no fear, only trust, only certainty, only abundance. With every breath, your mind, body, and energy field are aligning more deeply with wealth, prosperity, and financial freedom. You are now stepping into a new reality, one where you are surrounded by limitless abundance. You no longer worry about money. You no longer wonder if it will come. You know it is already coming. You feel it. You see it. You trust in it completely. It is no longer a question of if, it is already done. Your wealth is secured. Your success is inevitable. Your life is forever changed. Now, take another deep breath and welcome the abundance that is now flowing into your life. You are no longer waiting, it is already here. It is already moving toward you. It is already yours. Take a moment to let this truth sink in. Feel it. Believe it. Know it. This is the beginning of something extraordinary. Your financial breakthrough has already begun. Are you ready? Now, listen carefully and repeat these words, in your mind or out loud, with absolute certainty. Believe them. Feel them. Know that they are already manifesting. I invoke the infinite source of all wealth and abundance. Today, I begin a new chapter, a new life, one filled with prosperity, success, and limitless opportunities. I do not need to ask for wealth, for I know that I was born to be wealthy. Money is multiplying in my life every single day. I now declare to the universe that wealth flows to me effortlessly, without struggle, without resistance. I am rich. I am abundant. I am financially free. Wealth is my reality. Today, I am completely free from every limiting belief that once held me back. Every old thought, every doubt, every false belief that told me money was difficult to obtain, that I was not meant for abundance, or that financial success was out of reach, it is now erased. From this moment forward, I release the past. I step away from lack, from limitation, from struggle. I no longer carry the burdens of scarcity or the fears of not having enough. I have stepped into a new reality, a reality where wealth flows to me as naturally as the air I breathe, a reality where prosperity is not just a possibility, it is my truth, my identity, my destiny. I am no longer waiting for abundance to arrive, I am walking in it now. I declare that my life is overflowing with riches in every form. Money is no longer something distant or elusive, it is an ever-present force that surrounds me. It is in the air I breathe, in the steps I take, in the decisions I make. It is no longer something I wish for or chase after, instead, it naturally flows to me in ways both expected and unexpected. I am fully connected to the energy of money. I no longer see it as numbers in a bank account or pieces of paper, I recognize it for what it truly is, a limitless vibration of abundance, a force that responds to my thoughts, my beliefs, and my energy. I can feel its presence in my life right now. I sense it moving toward me, through me, and within me. I am in perfect harmony with wealth. It moves through my hands, my home, my career, and my relationships. It strengthens me, empowers me, and expands my ability to live freely and abundantly. Wealth is no longer something I must strive for, it is something that is drawn to me effortlessly and continuously. I am aligned with the limitless abundance of the universe. I decree, I am wealthy. I decree, I am rich beyond measure. I decree, I am abundant in every way. I embrace this truth. I live this truth. I am this truth. Money flows to me easily, effortlessly, and in ever-increasing amounts every single day. There is no struggle, only flow, expansion, and prosperity. This is my intention, and so it is. This is my reality, and so it is. This is my life, and so it is. One powerful word now fills my life. It fills my hands, my wallet, my home, and my bank account. That word is increase. This increase is unstoppable. It expands with every breath I take, with every action I make, and with every thought I align with abundance. Wealth is no longer something I seek, it is something that seeks me. It finds me effortlessly. It reaches me in expected and unexpected ways. Money is not just numbers, it is an energy that surrounds me, supports me, and flows through my life like an endless river of prosperity. Everywhere I go, opportunities appear, doors open, favor follows me. I am in harmony with wealth. I am in alignment with success. My financial reality is shifting now. Abundance is mine, and I fully receive it. And so it is. You have made a powerful decree. You have stepped fully into your potential, into a new reality. You are ready to receive. I want to hear from each and every one of you. Share in the comments your current relationship with money, and what limiting beliefs you are letting go of today.